How to order on DHgate account. Let's get started. Launch your DHgate app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now here you're gonna find different items. Select the items that you wanna purchase. In the case you cannot find over here, at the very top you're gonna see the search box. Over there you can type in the name of the item that you wanna purchase and search for it. With that, item will appear. After item appears, click on that. Now select the details of the item, color and the size. If you want to purchase multiple items, you can add the item to the cart first. I'm gonna select few of the item. Once you are done selecting the items and adding those items to the cart, at the top right corner you're gonna see the cart icon. Click on that. Once you're in the cart page, here you'll find all the items that you have selected to purchase. Now you can check in for the items that you want to purchase right away and then click on checkout. In the checkout page, first you have to provide your shipping address, then provide your payment method. You can select any of the payment method. After you provide your payment details, just scroll down. Here you're gonna find all the details of your purchase. After you check all the details, you can click on confirm to pay. With that, you have just ordered on DHgate. So this way you can easily place order on DHgate. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.